Today, I'm going to describe the biography of Margot Robbie. Who is Margot Robbie? Margot Robbie is an Australian actress and producer who caught the limelight for her portrayal in the Australian soap opera Neighbours, a role that earned her 2 Logie Award nominations. She wanted to pursue acting from her early years. She started off her acting career with minor roles in independent films. After appearing in a few independent films and television series, she moved to the United States. In 2013, she landed one of the lead roles in the romantic comedy About Time. Following that, she appeared in Martin Scorsese's The Wolf of Wall Street 2030 alongside Leonardo DiCaprio, which earned her fame and critical acclaim. Her increasing popularity amongst people led her to host the 42nd season premiere of Saturday Night Live, along with musical guest The Weeknd. She has been also the face of Calvin Klein's women's line of fragrances. Let's know about her biography. Margot Robbie was born on the 2nd of July 1990 in Dalby, Queensland, Australia. She is currently 31 years old. Birth name Margot Elise Robbie. Nickname Maggot. Profession actress producer. Date of birth July 2, 1990. Age 31 years old. Place of birth Dalby, Queensland, Australia. Nationality Australian. Sun sign Cancer. Ethnicity white. Religion Christianity. Residence Los Angeles, California, US. Let's know about her family and education. Margot Robbie was born into a farming family. Her parents are Sarah Kessler, a psychotherapist, and Doug Robbie, a former farm owner. She has 3 siblings: an elder brother, Lachlan or Lechi, a younger brother, Cameron, and a sister, Anya. She was raised by her single mother along with 3 siblings. Robbie had to work when she was younger in order to meet her ends. She possesses a bachelor's degree in drama from Somerset College, located in Gold Coast, Australia. Let's know about her love and married life. She dated New Zealand actor Andrew Aitken while filming the movie J in 2014. It was a short-lived relationship which eventually ended after wrapping up the shoot of the film. The same year, Robbie started dating British assistant director Tom Curley. They first meet on the set of Suit Front Case. 2 years later, the couple tied the knot in a private ceremony in Byron Bay, New South Wales in December 2016. They briefly lived in London before relocating to Venice Beach, California. Let's know about her physical statistics. Height 5 feet 6 inches, 168 centimeters. Weight 57 kg or 126 pounds. Body build slim. Body measurements 34, 23, 36. Body shape hourglass. Eye color blue. Hair color blonde. Sexuality straight. Shoe size 7 US. Dress size 6 US. Distinctive features blue eyes. Let's know about her professional statistics. Debut film. She first appeared in the 2008 film Vigilante playing Cassandra. television debut. Margot Robbie made her television debut in 2008 portraying Kelly in the black comedy show Review with Mavis Barlow. Brand endorsements. She has endorsed several brands and products throughout her career including Calvin Klein etc. In February 2017, she became the face of Nissan electric cars. Let's know about her favorite things. Beauty products. Cordelia Beauty Elixir, Calvin Klein's Deep Euphoria, Peter Thomas Both Complexing Correction Pads, Laura Mercier Blush, Chlorine Dry Shampoo with Oat Milk, Elise Face Foundation. Colors: blue, red and white. Food: French fries. Drink: beer. Sport: hockey. Hockey team: New York Rangers. Let's know about her net worth. The Squad Suicide actor has a net worth of $26 million as of 2021. While appearing in films and television makes it to most often net worth, she also earns a handsome amount through brand endorsements. Her earrings have skyrocketed since starring in Wolf of Wall Street. Ruby isn't a woman of a car type who owns a few cars from the world's leading brands like Mercedes-Benz and Ford. Let's know about her facts. The Aussie actress started her acting career in 2007, featuring in independent films and television series. At the age of 16, she did 3 different jobs to meet her ends. Before she made her acting debut, she was a pro at building the perfect hoagie, and her job title was that of sandwich artist. She is a member of Greenpeace. Robbie took 3 shots of tequila in the morning before shooting the Asterix scenes with Leonardo DiCaprio in The Wolf of Wall Street. For her performance in The Wolf of Wall Street, she was awarded Emperor Award of Best Female Newcomer and other several nominations. Martin Scorsese suggested Margot Robbie wear a robe when she opens the doors in her apartment, but it was her who instead to go on nude to make the scene more realistic. She isn't a girly girl when it comes to fashion. She is a tomboy. I am happiest when I am surfing or out on the farm hunting wild pigs, building cabins out in the paddocks or riding around on motorbikes, she said in a 2008 interview on the Diverse website. Ruby loves beer and French fries. In 2012, Ruby was featured in Inside Film magazine's Rising Talent issue. In 2014, she grabbed the 22 spot in Maxim's Hot 100 list. She had graced the cover of Vanity Fair's 20th anniversary Hollywood editions. In 2015, she was voted Sexiest Eyes by Victoria's Secret's annual What is Sexy list. She turned down the role of Sam in Birdman or The Unexpected Virtue of Ignorance, which eventually went to Emma Stone. Surprisingly, her favorite 3X scene was from 1993's True Romance.